So everyone always asks me how I do my fun buns. And my fun buns have kind of evolved over the years, but I've always had longer hair, except for this one time I had a quarter life crisis after college. And for those of you who don't know, I was a dance major, so I had to have my hair in a bun like every single day for ballet. So I basically never wore my hair down, and I got really used to up hairstyles because, you know, once it gets a crease in it, there's just like no going back. You long-haired ladies understand. So I got really good at fun buns. What do I mean by fun bun? A fun bun is an easy style, like a go-to messy bun that you don't have to like really think about doing. It's like the same every single time. Right now it's this one because my hair is super long. I want to know in the comments what your go-to hairstyle is. Are you a fun bun gal like me? Or are you ponytailed? Do you wear your hair down all the time? I absolutely cannot stand the way my hair feels on my neck when it's dirty. And I only wash my hair once a week. So I really get like 2 or 3 days of good looking hair, and then it goes up for the rest of the week, and then I wash it, and then I start all over again. That's a whole nother story how I got to that. If you guys want to hear more about that, let me know. I don't know if that's even interesting to anyone, but I've been getting a lot of requests because people always ask me, how do you do your buns? So keep watching to see how I do my fun buns. Okay, so my hair is really dirty right now. Don't judge me. I'm gonna take it down and then we're gonna get into like a tutorial on this whole shindig. Okay, so one time in high school, my friend Jackie told me that if I twisted my hair up and slept with it up, that it would grow faster, which I don't think is true. Can anyone confirm or deny that? Now, my hair looks disgusting right now because it's been up and my hair is very long. I was looking for a way I could wear my hair up when I was sleeping and it wouldn't get a crease in it. So this kind of just started happening. I honestly don't know why I started doing this or how I think it was just like out of desperation. And also I can never find hair ties. So this actually has no hair tie involved. All you guys are gonna need is like some big bobby pins like these, or I actually have a style, I'll put a picture of it up here because I don't have any with me right now, but like the U-shaped bobby pins that are like big for ballet. That's actually how I started doing this, and I recently figured out that I could use these other big bobby pins for this. I'm interested to see, you guys have to let me know if you try this and if it works for you, because I've never showed anyone how I do this and I don't even know if other people do this. Okay, so what I do is, my hair is definitely dirty, like you guys can probably tell. It's been styled. It looks so crazy. It's been styled. What I do is at night or like when I'm getting in the shower, I will, oh, I got some tangles, hold on. I need a trim so bad, you guys. I put my hair up on the top of my head and that's how I sleep with it. If my hair is still pretty clean, I can wear it the next day, take it down and restyle it a little bit and do a zhuzh, and I can wear it again. But once it gets dirty, it's just kind of like game over. You can't really do anything with it. So this is what you do. Step 1, have hair. Good job. Step 2, you're gonna flip your head over and put all your hair in a ponytail on the top of your head with your hands. So I think we got it all here. And I can do this without a mirror now even. I can kind of feel it. So I just get all the little bumps out like this. And we got it all right here. So what I do is I take it and I twist it right here. Do you guys see that twist starting? And I'm just gonna keep twisting it, okay? I feel crazy. I don't know if anyone else does this. Okay, so I'm just twisting, twisting, twisting. And sometimes it looks cuter than others, and sometimes it's just to like get it out of my face. And it doesn't look cute at all. So we're just gonna keep twisting. As you're wrapping it around itself, keep twisting. And you're gonna get to the end here where you have this little ugly piece that doesn't look cute at all. That's where your bobby pins come in. Got a weird bump here, that's okay though. Okay, so you're gonna take your big bobby pins and you're gonna grab, I don't know if you can even see this, you're gonna grab the hair like directly above this like end tail. And you're gonna put a bobby pin in. And sometimes you need a second big bobby pin. I can actually do this with one bobby pin most of the time, but we're gonna go for a number 2 just to get this nice and secure. So what you're basically doing is like hooking the hair in and bringing it down. And if you guys want to see this with the U-shaped bobby pins, let me know. Oh, I just broke this bobby pin. You're gonna want to use it sideways. I didn't mention that before, but basically just hook it over and then go in for the kill. And this isn't a very cute one, but sometimes it looks really cute when I do this. I mean, this one's okay, I guess. The tail is really long. So there you have it, you guys. That is how I do my fun buns. It's pretty secure, so you don't have to worry about it going anywhere. Sometimes I will like hairspray this to make it more like put together looking like I tried, or I'll put like a headband on. But there you have it. That's how I do my fun buns. It's nothing too crazy, nothing too exciting, pretty simple. If you guys liked this tutorial, let me know in the comments below and I can do more like them. I'm not that great at hair, but I'm pretty good at making it look like I know what I'm doing. Our viewer of the week is Hey Girl Hey. Thanks for being one of my amazing viewers and tuning into my videos. Be sure to give her some love in the comments. Give her a heart, give her a thumbs up, and give her a subscribe. Remember, if you liked this video, to do the same. Check out my most recent video in the link to your right, or click below to subscribe to my channel. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace out, Girl Scouts.